LF632 drone operation tutorial. Open the box. Take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light is always on when charging. Turn off automatically when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connecting the remote control. Connect to power supply. Green light is on when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Unfold the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Insert the memory card into the remote control. Press and hold the power on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically align the frequency of the drone. Calibrate the gyroscope with the outer aid stick. Push up the left stick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One button to take off. Up. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Speed switching, 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for medium speed. 3 beeps for high speed gears. Motorized camera adjustment. Press the roll button and toggle the right stick. The drone will roll 360 degrees. Long press to turn on obstacle avoidance. Short press to turn on headless mount. The drone will move backward in the direction of the remote control. Short press to enter fine-tuning. If the drone deviates to the left, it will be adjusted to the right. If the drone veers forward, it will go backward. Short press to exit fine-tuning. Long press the emergency stop button. The drone will stop flying. 1 button to land. Short press to turn on, off the picture transmission screen. Short press to take photo. Long press to turn on video recording. Long press again to stop recording. Short press the playback button to view the image. Short press to return to the main interface. Replacement of wind blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws of the air blades to remove the air blades. Pay attention to the app logo. Install the corresponding fan blade. Connect app. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the app. Connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Install the cell phone holder. Clip on the cell phone to start flying.